Hello, welcome to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel, I'm going to teach you how to make foam jewelry, how to sublimate, how to print a t-shirt, how to make party favors, and other things. I'm also going to be teaching you how to price, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. So let's not wait any longer, and let's get to work.
Hey guys, so for today I'll be sampling the Yisan Dual Brush Marker pen set. This is a set of 36. It can be used for your daily artistic needs, or you can also use them for your planning, note-taking, so on and so forth. Today what I'll be doing right now is coloring in this little guy. I'll go ahead and use both sides of the pens. I'll show you the two little sides to the pen. As you can see, there's the felt pen side and then the big marker side. So let's get started. To start this off, I'm going to go ahead and use this pastel pink color.
Well, I want to thank my daughter Cassie for helping me with this video. She's the one who tested all the markers. We actually did it together, but she did the recording. I just want to let you guys know that in the description area of this video, you will find the link that's going to take you straight to where you can order these awesome markers. I always like to grade the items that I review, and for me, these markers, the fact that they don't bleed and that the writing comes out so beautiful, I will give them an A+. I definitely love them, and I hope if you buy them, you love them too. For now, it's all for us. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.